Way cool.
Whoa! It is hot today. 30 degrees Celsius, which is like pretty much 80 Fahrenheit. And we are making something I've never done. We're making underwater lighting happen. What we'll do is that we'll remove the bottom coat from 1 inch wide around 3 inches below the waterline, all the way around. And then glue it in there with 5200, which is one of the hardest glues you can get, kind of like the PL glue of the marine world. That'll hold it for the season. That's the question. Can my solder hold? Can my waterproofing hold? You know, I'm working with plastics, and I still want to have translucence for the light to go through. I don't want it to be opaque, so let's see if I can make it happen. And if I do, it would be quite a cool result. I'll have to make sure I fuse it properly or make sure this breaker is enough to keep the whole circuit safe. And apart from that, should be a good project. Underwater lighting, here we go. Work. Advise against using 5200 for this job since it was such a big area I'm doing. When I want to remove the lights, if I want to remove the lights, maintenance or whatever, I'll have to kind of scrape it off or grind it off. So I used PL, I'm using PL Loctite. See how this goes on? I have one tube for the whole bolt, so I'll be a bit light on it. Let's get going and apply and just put it back on. Let's go. Right, the trailer still rolls, so they're putting it under the big lift, and then they're gonna hoist it up and try to protect it, and then we're gonna throw it in the water. So stay tuned. Way cool. I could be the coolest guy in the marina. You wouldn't know.